anyone can be part of the United Cymru campaign. Come with me. I'm putting these up in Newport today.
I like them all, but I particularly like this because everyone is welcome. So I don't care if you're black, white, if you've got whatever sexuality or country or culture you're from or religion. Everyone's welcome, unless they're
What do you like about that message?
So I actually have a disability and I have missed out on jobs because of it. I also work in a voluntary capacity in Newport and I meet lots of people that are immigrants, and I don't think people should be scared of people coming in or people with differences doing things, because we can all do things. A lot of the things that I treasure have been things that I've learnt from people from other cultures.
Especially in Newport, we're a very big working class community with people of all walks of life. I feel like racism is hugely on the rise at the minute, sadly, and it's just something that in this venue and the sort of music scene we're in, it's just not welcome.
Because Newport has traditionally been very,
it's a multicultural working class city.
It's multicultural, very diverse, and has always been very welcoming. We're very proud of that.